have a copy of STYX 2 right here. This is the Wooden Nickel release, and you'll see that right there, Wooden Nickel Records. And you'll see right there the song Lady. So again, this was released in 1973, and it kind of started going, and then boom, gone. Just didn't go anywhere. Then they released 2 more albums after that, Man of Miracles, Serpent is Rising. And when after that point, right around then, is when that DJ heard the song and he started playing it. And then the song Lady became this massive, massive hit nationally. And to this day, as far as I know, they continue to play that song. All the rest of the stuff from those early days, these first 4 albums, are long gone. But that song became a staple of this band. Now it's kind of interesting. I just want to show you one other thing. If you're into records, you remember this, you'll find kind of interesting. This is one of the Wooden Nickel, you'll see there, releases of this album. And what ended up happening then, and you'll see, here's another version of it right here, and you'll see that eventually, somehow it ended up being distributed by RCA, and then they would note over here that this was, I want to read what it says, manufactured from masters owned by Wooden Nickel. So there was some sort of an arrangement where RCA was able to distribute this under an agreement with the original record company, which was Wooden Nickel. But anyway, here are a couple of different versions of what that album looked like. And then you'll also see, I'll show you one other thing that I think is just stuff's kind of interesting. You look at the label and the RCA one, and you'll see what is obviously RCA Records, and if you ever had records, you'd recognize that. And then you'll see this one is the Wooden Nickel version of the album. Anyway, kind of cool stuff. Just to look back at this and kind of understand the way this all works. So if you were ever a fan of STYX, that's kind of the story of what happened and how they became what they became. Ultimately, it's that song getting resurrected that really started helping them get on the map. And then it was this album here, The Grand Illusion, then that solidly put them on the map, where they became this massive band, the superstar band, and they really had a pretty good run at that point, maybe like 5-6 good years where they were really on top. They were really moving.